Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Angry Birds game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, just look for the search button. You can then type in Angry Birds within the search box. And now from the search results, you can tap on your preferred version of the Angry Birds game. Once you tap on it, you will see the install button. So just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Angry Birds game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will see the play button. You can tap on it in order to open up the app. And now you can start enjoying the Angry Birds game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Angry Birds game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.